Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to schedule posts in RedNote step-by-step guide. So here I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to how to schedule posts in RedNote. To schedule posts in RedNote step-by-step, all we need to do is open up a RedNote. Once we open up a RedNote right here, we just need to click on the plus icon right here in the middle, as you see right there. Press on that. Now, just gonna take a picture of something. We're just gonna take a picture now, right here, and then click on the white right here to take a picture. So yeah, that's how you do it. So now we're gonna schedule a post. Let's say it's good enough. Now to schedule a post, all we need to do right here is click on advanced options right here. After pressing on advanced options right here, you will see scheduled posts right here. As I say right there, scheduled posts. Now all we need to do here at our scheduled post, scheduled post, is press on it. After pressing our scheduled post right here, our next step is, of course, we need to choose the day of when we are gonna post it. There you go. As you see, for example, like that. Then we're gonna choose the day right here. Day, something like that, and then day and then month. There you go, something else. So just select it, then after that just press on save right there. After doing that, as you can see, schedule post 2 months, 9 days, and right there. Then there, after doing that, as you can see right now, all we need to do is just go back and then click on scheduled post right there. And there you go, right there you go, guys. Now once we go to me right here, as you can see right now, we have a scheduled post right here on when it's gonna get posted. There you go, as you can see right there. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the question below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.